So hi guys, I am Christine May Villaferte. I am making 12 LED sequential blink using push button, and this is the activity for microprocessor. And please watch it. Thanks. So hi guys, this is my build. So after building it in 2 hours, I finally created my final output or my final design. So this is my final design. Okay, so I will change the color of the LED or the LED. Gonna change into different colors. The mano malaikat tumatayin. So that's for my okay. So as you see, it's starting to blink. So now I will use the push button and it doesn't blink anymore. That's it. And for the code, here is my code. I use this Codeblex because it's easy to use. And when you check your blocks plastics, here is it. You can see it. That's the code. Okay. That's my coding.
Miss niya ako everyday. Pero kahit andito na siya palagi, parang wala naman ulit si Mama. Then one day, we climbed mountains, jumped off playgrounds, now swimming to waterfalls. Doesn't matter where we go, basta kami ni Mommy, may kalaro. Sulitin ang bawat sabi dahil minsan na sila baba, Chucky, from Western. Pinakamasaya, kita ang masaya.
So that's it. That's all. Thank you for watching. So thank you for watching. Click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.